StepfaWord.
Are you sitting comfortably?
Yeah, ma.
Good. Then we shall begin.
Wicked.
Ladies and gentlemen, coming at you loud, live, and direct from the darkest depths of your imagination.
Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up! Step forward.
Welcome to Step Forward. I'm Dee Book. I ask the author the questions. Tell me, Mycall, does everybody truly have someone for them? Or as the old saying goes, does every hoe have dem stick a bush? In episode 9 of Talk to Dee Book, the work asks the author the questions. Through the lyrics of Every Hoe Have Dem Stick a Bush, written by my guest, Mycall Isrell, we will explore destiny, attraction, power struggles, and the difference between loving deeply and losing good sense. Let's continue the conversation in episode 9. Step Forward, Talk to Dee Book, produced by Patwah Media. Until we meet again, stay with the work.
Please take a moment to like, share or leave a comment. Thank you for believing in us and making our journey possible. With gratitude, from Patwah Media.